Why does your scanner show the P0096 engine code? What does it mean? P0096 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air temperature, IAT Sensor 2, circuit range, or performance. This engine code indicates that the ECM detects that the sensor's readings are outside the normal operating range, leading to potential issues like poor fuel economy, reduced engine power, and an illuminated check engine light. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IAT Sensor 2. Wiring issues. Poor electrical connection. Improper mounting or location. ECU malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevy, Honda, and Renault models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.